Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chavali Sabji step by step. Start by rinsing and soaking 1 cup of Chavali for 30 minutes, then chop 1 medium onion and 2 tomatoes. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add spices, and sauté until aromatic. Add the soaked Chavali, water to cover, then simmer gently for 20 to 25 minutes until tender and saucy. Warm up a heavy pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil, then sauté the onions and whole spices until golden brown. Stir in tomatoes and cook until the oil separates, which builds the base flavor. Add the soaked Chavali with 1 cup of water, cover, and simmer on low heat until the beans are soft and the sauce has thickened to your liking. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to help more people find these recipes. Quick recommendation: use the Kindle Paperwhite to read recipes anywhere, with great battery life and easy page turns, which pairs oddly well with cooking. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. Once the Chavali are tender and the gravy has reduced, taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Stir in chopped cilantro and optional green chilies for a fresh finish. Let the sabji rest for a few minutes so flavors meld, then serve hot alongside steamed rice or roti for a comforting and simple meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.